Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Quest 1. This method involves streaming the game from a powerful PC directly to your headset. While Roblox does not have a native Quest 1 app, you can still dive into its immersive worlds. We will guide you through the necessary steps to set up this exciting virtual adventure, transforming your Quest 1 into a portal for endless creativity and fun. Get ready to experience Roblox like never before. To begin, you will need a gaming computer with strong specifications, including a powerful graphics card and processor. A stable network connection is also crucial, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi setup or a high-quality USB 3-link cable. Install the Oculus PC application, Steam VR, and the standard Roblox PC client on your computer. These components form the foundation for a seamless virtual reality gaming session. First, launch the Oculus PC app on your computer and establish a connection to your Quest 1, either wirelessly via AirLink or with a USB 3-link cable. Once connected, open Steam VR. From within the Steam VR environment, you can then launch the Roblox desktop application. This will enable Roblox to render in virtual reality, allowing you to control it with your Quest 1 controllers. For the best experience, optimize your network by connecting your computer to your router with an Ethernet cable and keeping your Quest 1 close to the Wi-Fi access point. Within Roblox, reduce graphics settings like shadow quality or render distance to maintain a high frame rate. Also, explore Steam VR's video settings to fine-tune resolution and refresh rate for your specific setup. These adjustments will significantly enhance your virtual reality gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.